In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a master timeline in Asana. A master timeline is a great way to see all of your key projects and deadlines in one place, instead of jumping in and out of separate projects. In Asana, the best way to do this is by using portfolios, which are available on the Advanced and Enterprise plans. If you have access to portfolios, you'll be able to pull multiple projects together and see a single, high-level timeline view of everything that matters. First, look over to the left-hand side of your Asana screen. In the sidebar, you'll see an option labeled Portfolios. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to the main Portfolios area, which is like a control center for groups of projects. Next, we're going to create a brand new portfolio that will become your master timeline. At the top of the Portfolios page, click on New Portfolio. Asana will prompt you to give it a name. Choose something that clearly represents what you're tracking, like Company Roadmap, Client Projects, Master Timeline, or Marketing Campaigns Overview. A clear name will make it easy to find and share later. Once your new portfolio is created, it will open up in a mostly empty state. Think of this as your container. Now we need to add the actual projects that you want to see on your master timeline. To do that, click the button that says Add Work. This will open a search or selection panel where you can choose from your existing Asana projects. Here, take a moment to be intentional. Add only the projects that are important to see at a high level. Maybe your biggest initiatives, active client projects, or cross-functional efforts. You can always add or remove projects later, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. After you've added your source projects, your portfolio will start to populate with information like status, owners, and due dates. To turn this into a visual master timeline, look to the top of the portfolio view and click on the Timeline tab. This switches the portfolio from a list-style overview into a Gantt-style timeline, where you can see each project laid out over time. Now you have a master timeline that shows all your selected projects on one screen. From here, you can scan for overlapping deadlines, spot potential conflicts, and get a much clearer picture of how everything fits together.